Today we are going to discuss about this credit card sized microprocessor called Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is a series of small, affordable and versatile single board computer developed by Raspberry Pi Foundation. It was initially designed to promote computer science education but has gained popularity among hobbyists, developers and professionals for a wide range of applications. See how small is our microprocessor. It can be charged by USB-C cable. So this is its power point. So there we can connect the USB-C and we have two HDMI ports, one audio jack, and here we have one connection which is for like camera connectivity, and this is the main processor. So if we look at this processor, we can see that there is a lot of interfaces. It has plenty of input output options, and the important things are these four USB port, and there is an Ethernet port, and it has this 40 pin GPIO. GPIO means general purpose input output. So these all pins like an Arduino or any microcontrollers, we can program our Raspberry Pi to read data from sensors and lot of another electronic devices using these GPIO pins. You can see how small our microprocessor is, how thin and thick it is. So now we are going to discuss about why we need an SD card in a Raspberry Pi. This is a 64 GB SD card which will be acting as the storage space, and also our OS will be installed inside this SD card. So we will be installing this SD card behind this. So now let's open our SD card. I always suggest to use minimum 64 GB SD card because for running our operating system and also having a storage space, it is always recommended to have minimum 64 GB. So the amount of storage we have in our Raspberry Pi is completely in our hand. We can decide which SD card we want to buy. If we buy 1 TB SD card, then this is our Raspberry Pi with 1 TB storage and high performance CPU. So this SD card we cannot directly use inside this. First we have to boot our operating system, whatever operating system we want in our Raspberry Pi, even if it is a Ubuntu server or a Raspbian or Raspberry Pi OS, we have to install inside this SD card. So for now we will be just powering our Raspberry Pi using this USB-C cable, and it does not have any bootable file inside this SD card. This is just a fresh SD card added into this Raspberry Pi. So it will not boot to the system. This process of making a bootable SD card, this I will show in another video. For now testing our Raspberry Pi, I will be powering it using a power bank, so it will be getting the power. And you can see here this LED is like rigid red and green LED, so that means it is not getting into the booting process because we don't have any bootable file inside our SD card. If we had a file, this could be blinking and then it will go to the booting process. This we will do in the next video.